Here's a GoPro Hero 11 Black. I'm going to show you how to insert a SD card, a micro SD card, and then format it while it is inside the GoPro. So the first thing you got to do is go ahead and open up the side door here. So let me open this up. It's going to whip out like that. Here's the battery here. Let's go ahead and pull that battery out, right? And then right up here is the card for the SD card, or is the slot for the SD card. So I'm going to go ahead and you can see the slot there in the back. It's spring loaded too. Okay, so I'm going to put the SD card in just like this. You got to be kind of careful. Okay, you got to look for that like lip right there. So there it is right there. And now it's spring loaded, so it should snap into place. Okay, so it's in, and then you should hear a little click. Okay, now it's flush, it's in, and then we'll go ahead and put the battery back in, and then let's go ahead and format the SD card. So let me turn it on, and then we're going to go to preferences. Okay, so once you're on the screen here, you want to slide down. We're going to slide down. Oops, let me unlock it. We're going to slide down and then swipe over to the left, and you should see preferences. Okay, let's tap on that, and now from here we just want to go down, all the way down. The last one should say reset. Tap on reset, and the first one says format SD card. Let's tap on that. Check files and reformat your SD card. Yes, so we'll click on format just like that. Don't forget, formatting, you're deleting everything on there. Okay, and give this like a few seconds here. Voila, that's it. We're done. We're ready to rock and roll. Questions or issues, just go ahead and comment below. All right, good luck, guys.